Bismillah. In this video, we will go through 3 powerful du'as that every Muslim should know by heart. These du'as are short, easy to remember, but carry immense blessings in our daily lives. The Prophet ﷺ taught us a dua for when we are uncertain about a decision. Istikhara. Allahumma inni astakhiruka bi ilmika wa astaqdiruka bi kudratika wa as'aluka min fadlika al-azim. Translation: O Allah, I seek your guidance by your knowledge, and I seek ability by your power, and I ask you from your great bounty. This dua reminds us that only Allah truly knows what is best for us. Another essential dua is Bismillahilladhi la yadurru ma'asmihi shay'un fil ardi wala fis samai wa huwa as-sami'ul alim. Translation: In the name of Allah, with whose name nothing on earth or in heaven can cause harm, and He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing. The Prophet ﷺ said that whoever recites this 3 times in the morning and evening, nothing will harm him. One of the most beloved du'as of the Prophet ﷺ was Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar. Translation: Our Lord, grant us good in this world and good in the hereafter, and protect us from the punishment of the fire. This dua is a complete prayer for balance, blessings, and salvation. These are 3 powerful du'as that can change your life when you make them part of your daily routine. Start today and remember, Allah always listens to the heart that calls upon Him sincerely.